When the time comes to flaring hardline tubing, look to Earl's plumbing tools to make sure you get the job done right the first time. Earl's professional flaring tool makes easy work out of flaring hardline, whether it's brake, fuel, or even nitrous hardline. Whether it's one flare or a complete vehicle plumbing job, you can count on Earl's professional flaring tool for leak-free flares. Earl's professional flaring tool comes with all the necessary dies for getting the job done right. The cast steel dies and punches protect the inside and outside of the tube while flaring ends. You can make 37-degree AN flares or 45-degree AM flares in all the popular styles. Make low-pressure single flares suitable for fuel, transmission, and oil cooling. The double or inverted flare is used for high-pressure systems such as your brakes. You can even do ISO bubble flares, which are common on European vehicles. This professional tool will work with all hardline tubing materials including copper, aluminum, copper nickel, steel, and stainless steel, and handles all these sizes. The quick change die clamp and turrets make for quick work out of flaring lines, whether one or numerous flares. The tool includes a bench mounting flange but works equally well in a shop vise. A handy storage and carrying case is included. Earl's also offers other flaring toolkits as well as other plumbing tools for making the job a little easier. Thanks for watching. For more information on Earl's products, visit earlsplumbing.com.